There are some gems out there because we have tested a lot on this channel. Or better yet, hopefully you got something for someone else out of this. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. We're going to do something a little different. Christmas is coming, therefore I thought, why not? I was going back through some of my videos that I've put, or reviews I should say, that I've put up, and I thought there's actually quite a few really good items, brands, products in this list. Then why not share it? So I don't believe I've actually done a Christmas list before, so I put this list together because, like I said before, Christmas is approaching and sometimes we've all been in that boat. It's hard to come up with ideas for Christmas presents for people. And the stuff that I'm going to list today, in my opinion, are fantastic and would be great for Christmas presents. Or even the more expensive ones, a gift to yourself. We've got 4 main categories I will cover off. I'm only looking at products that I have reviewed and there is an existing video, because I can then, hand on heart, say I've tried it out. And the links to those videos and those brands and more information, discount codes, etc., if they are discount codes attached to the video, they will be down below. We have 4 categories that we're going to cover off. The first one is beauty devices. What I mean by that, it can range from things like a cleaning device, a face mask, or something that's loosely associated like the iRESTORE Elite device for hair regrowth. We have clothing, we have skincare, and then something a little left of field. I don't really do a lot of tech gadgety stuff on my channel, but I have done a little bit. The last category is earphones. I've got my little list here. I've done my research. I have written down my notes so I don't miss anything. The first thing that I highly recommend and would make a great Christmas gift is the Dermrays laser hair removal device. I have tested this out on my channel. It is up there in price. It's around 599 Australian dollars, and it is in the link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. I haven't done a follow-up to it yet, but I have been using the device quite a bit. And I can tell you it is quality, because I'm sure you can see I'm looking a lot less hairy these days. The second device is the Faradbeauty Luxehalo face mask. Now this is a popular item in this household. Both my partner and I use this mask religiously. And when we can't use this mask, we use the other mask that we have. I love that it's malleable. I like the design. I like the aesthetic. And I like that it's got a really nice strength to the light. And that's 305 Australian dollars. We then have the EMI cleansing device. I love this, that it's got a long charge, it's waterproof, but when I like that when you're getting in there, it actually gets into the nooks and crannies of your face. Sometimes when you're using your hands, you do tend to miss areas, and you always need to obviously you need to make sure you clean your hands, but I like that I don't have to wet my hands to clean my face when I'm using this device. And that retails for 302.37 Australian dollars. The other face mask that we use is the Megelin LED red light therapy mask. I have done quite a bit with Megelin, the brand, over the last couple of years, and for the price that you pay, you do get quality tech from them. That retails for 408.73 cents Australian dollars. The last beauty associated device is the iRESTORE Elite. I have done 2 dedicated videos to this device. The device in itself is up there. It is very expensive. It's 1,799 Australian dollars, but there is a discount code if you are interested to get a bunch of money off. I'm sure you can't deny my hair is thicker, fuller, and my hairline has, I wouldn't say that it's back, but it's on the way. If you've been with me a while, you would know that we have reviewed, tried, tested a lot of fashion, a lot of fast fashion brands out there. I'm not a massive fan of fast fashion because 9 times out of 10, a lot of them aren't great and it ends up in landfill and it's not good for the environment. That being said, there are some gems out there. And these 4 I have tested and tried, one of which I have partnered with, and there is a discount code attached to that if you wanted to save money off. And those 4 are ASOS, UNIQLO, BOOHOO, and TexTale. And if you want to check those videos out, for the money that you pay, you get quality, it's good construction, and all of those that I've listed, all those 4 brands, the pieces I have got from them, I'm still using. I'm actually wearing 2 of them now. If you have been with me a while, like I said before, in the second category, you would know that we either usually dabble in skincare or fashion for men. And the third category is obviously skincare, because we have tested a lot on this channel. The only one that I have a discount code attached to is the BANISH skincare. I have partnered with them before. They sent me a PR kit and I highly love their products. I purchased their stuff initially and did a review on it. I loved it so much that I have been repurchasing, and we still use the Retinol serum. Regularly sold out, so it's hard to get your hands on and it is expensive, but for the money that you pay, it is supreme quality. The other 2 items are the Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Filler. Now that is inexpensive. It is currently $21.99 Australian dollars. You can get it online. I have repurchased this thing so many times and it does wonders for around your eyes. I have had compliments. My partner Adam is now starting to use the product, much to my chagrin, because of the results I've been getting. The last skincare item, since I have reviewed it, I have repurchased. It is expensive, let me forewarn you. And that is the Synthesis NOTOX Anti-Aging Serum. I love this stuff. There's 2 sizes that you can purchase. The smaller size, 15ml, is $99. The larger size, 50ml, is $242. So it's not a budget-friendly purchase, but my skin looks the best it has looked in a very long time, thanks to the concoction that I've been using, and that is BANISH, Synthesis, and Retinol. And the last category we're looking at are headphones. I've got 2 on the list. I have a plethora of headphones that I have tested, tried, purchased myself over the years. These 2, however, for the quality of sound, for the price, and for the ability of it staying in my ear, are the reasons why these 2 are listed. The first one is the RAYCON Fitness Earbuds. I do have a discount code attached to that, which will be in the description down below. Those stay in because of the fins, they get up in there. Really good sound quality and a great battery life. They retail for 215 Australian dollars. The other one are very inexpensive. I've recently did a review on this. They did get sent to me. There's no discount code attached to it. They're only $89.99. However, the quality of the bass, the sound, the noise cancelling, they actually outweigh RAYCON, which are vastly more expensive. And what I'm talking about are the Soundpeats Capsule3 Pro earbuds. These have become my favorite. I now use these on the daily. I can't get enough of them. There are obviously other honorable mentions that I could have. I have looked at quite a bit of stuff on this channel, but I wanted to keep it relatively short and at least over 3 to 4 categories to cover more bases. So get on out there. Enjoy your Christmas, do your shopping, and hopefully you got something out of this. Or better yet, hopefully you got something for someone else out of this. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure you do all the fun stuff, and most importantly, stay tuned.